how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, simply log into your TikTok account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on the search icon, and from there you want to go ahead and simply delete your search history. Once the search history has been deleted, to remove individual suggested searches, you want to go ahead and press and hold one of them. Then tap on not interested, and just like so, if you would like to remove all of it, repeat the same process. Once you do that, next is to customize your notification and suggestion settings. For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, tap on the 3-bar icon right over here, then tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, tap on notifications, and just like so, scroll below, and then inside personalized notifications, toggle off these 3 buttons. Once done, tap on posts from accounts you follow, then simply toggle off this button as well, and it will help you reduce or eliminate TikTok you may like suggestions. That is the video, guys. So that's basically how you can remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.